We charge the foreign client $50 to make this logo and these beautiful mockups. If you like, believe. If you like, don't believe. The fact is, say we don't do the job and our client is satisfied and we don't make our money. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to do this kind of logo and all these mockups so you can make money for yourself or even design for yourself. Now, without any further ado, I'm going to be taking you to my phone so we get it done. But before that, please press and hold your screen. Now, there are some accounts that are going to pop up on your screen. Then tap on send, send, send. That's all you can do for me. And I'll be grateful. Let's get down to my phone. Let me show you how to do it immediately. Let's go there. So this design is for a foreign herbal store. The client owns an organic herbal store. So first thing, like I always tell you, you have to sketch out your idea. So we call it brainstorming. So I have this idea like a leaf like this. A leaf. Yeah, we have one bologo. You see the leaf. We just form the capsule. All right, the division of the capsule, and then we call it, the store is called Herb Store, and that's it. All right, so I'm going to list out the colors I'm going to be using for this design by the side of this. Then let's get to work immediately. Please don't mind my handwriting. I'm actually done with my mapping out. We call it brainstorming. I'll be like I told you. You can see my job will be very, very easy at this point because I've sketched everything out and everything I need to get it done. So you can see the leaf by the right hand side is light green, the capsule by the right hand side is light green, the capsule left hand side dark green, leaf left hand side dark green, and you can see the color code. Before we get down to work, this is Solo Communications. All right, we are experts in social media management and content strategy, and then we do all social media branding for businesses. So your logo, your graphics work, we also do it. If you want to work with us, you want us to get a logo for you, graphics design for you, just send us a DM or use the link on our bio to send us a WhatsApp message. And we have our course on graphics design and logo designs. This course does not come with just logo design, but also all-around graphics design course that will make you grounded on graphic design and you become a professional graphics designer with just your smartphone. It is, if you don't get money, no come. It's not free because it's very, very advanced. All right, it's going to give you what you want. All right, let's go there. For those of you who don't know Canva, go to Play Store, download your Canva. I've said it before. If you want to know the rest, come to my class, sign up for my training, and you are good to go. So, but just open your Canva, click on new project, and that's it. So we are here like this now. Remember the design, what our sketch, all right? Remember our sketch. Look at it on the screen here. So now what we want to do is to make a replica of what you just saw. So why I like Canva is that everything is already pre-made. You don't need to go so pro. You just need to know the meaning of font, know the meaning of colors, what colors represent a particular brand, the type of design to make for a particular brand, how to be creative in your thoughts, think of something that has to talk about the brand, represent the brand very well, that is timeless, as in no be waiting they go see tomorrow, they go say, makes sense again. At least it should take like 10 years before they start thinking of changing it. All right, so be creative in your thoughts, all right, and make sure it speaks about the brand. Use their color, or if they don't have a color, use a color that talks about the brand. Blue represent trust. If you go to hospital, you're going to see blue or green. That is green, life. Blue, trust. You have to trust somebody with your life before you bring the person there. All right, so that is it. So let's get down to business. First of all, I prefer to go to elements. So what we are looking for now is a leaf shape. Remember our design. So I have to search leaf shape. You can see here leaf shapes. We'll click on leaf shapes. All right, so I would prefer to use you can see this thing is already here, something like what I sketched, but I don't like making designs like that because somebody must have used it too. All right, so I like making my design from scratch. Apart from the fact that I'm using here in my class, you're going to see how to make your design. You manipulate shapes and get your own shape, all right, from scratch. All right, so I prefer to use this particular one here. Let's get another leaf, and I think I'm going to use this, and then this. Okay, so I have to flip it. Remember the design, please. You know, I did something that has a long tail. I don't know what they call it. So let's flip it. Good. We have something like this here now. So let's rotate it. So it's going to cut across the center. Yeah, I think we have something here. So let me rotate this more. Can cut across the capsule, like I said earlier. So let me reduce the size of this one. So let me just fast forward it so we just get something done fast. All right, so we have this. So I have to group this. Click and hold, then go to select multiple and click on the next one, and then click on group. They are now one image, all right, that we can now move together. So let's go get the capsule shape. All right, so let's go to elements again and look for capsule. This is the job I did for $50. So it doesn't matter how you did it. That's why you should learn the skill. Now, and like this, so it's not just to come here and do anything. You have to have meaning. It has to have a reason. I know just come up with the design. I know the meaning of the brand. I did interview with them, found out what they stand for, what they want to be seen as. That is it. So let's take this shape, all right? Look at this shape. Let's take it. Let's bring it in. That's what looks like a capsule. Okay. Let's bring it down, rotate again. Something different from what I drew. I had an idea again of maybe capsule pouring the stuff inside of it. All right, so let me see how it's going to look. Now let's duplicate it. We click on it. We click on copy, and then we take this one here and we rotate. All right, we rotate it to have the other side of the stuff. All right, so bring it here. We are almost done with the design. You can see it's making sense already. We have something here. Then I would have to make a droplet of the drugs inside because it's a herbal store, right? So let me just make a circle, get it, a tiny circle. Let me get this. I think I like this. So I'm going to bring it down here. All right, it's just an idea I got while making this design. It's not like you can see, my sketch now, the inside and you saw my sketch. All right, so let's duplicate these two. Let's duplicate this too, showing that medicine with the inside capsule. That's what I'm trying to depict here. It's pouring out, right? I think we are good to go. I think I like this, all right? Like this. Now let's get the color done. I said the left-hand side is dark green. So let's go for dark green. This is the dark green that we have here. And the right-hand side is going to be light green. Let's make it like this. Good. Now this capsule here should be, I'll make it the light green, then make this one the dark green. I think we have something, right? I think we have something. Well, let's swap it. So now I'll have to arrange it, all right? Let me arrange it. I don't need to show you this. This one are just normal arrangement according to your choice, right? So I think we are good now. Now let's write. So the name of the brand is Herbs and Medicines. So let's get down to work. For the name of the brand, we're going to be using Open Sans, right? So let's go. Herbs and let's change the font. We're going to use Open Sans. And then we'll make it bold. Then we'll change the color. So that's it. This is the actual logo. Any other thing, Najara, or we make a copy and then we name it Herbal Drugs. All right. So we go. We change the color to lighter green. And I think we are good like this. So my brother, we are done with this design, right? We are done with this design. You can see we have our design now. Now it's time to export it so we can do whatever we want to do with it. All right. So we're going to export this design and then go and convert it to a 3D mockup, which I'm going to be showing you how we did it in the next video. All right. Now, if you have watched this video to this point, that means you really know what you want. And this country is too hard. You don't need anybody to tell you that you need to learn a skill. That is the only thing that is going to save you. Now, wait and watch to the end. You just have 1 more minute to spend so that you know how to help yourself and start designing like me with your smartphone, as well as start getting high-paying clients for yourself. So this is Solo Communications. We are a social media marketing agency. We help you and your brand grow on social media, as well as audit your account, consultation, and show you the right way to do and work on social media so you can get a desired result. And we also go as well as branding you, like designing your logos, choosing your colors, making your flyers, and the rest of them so you can stay relevant as a brand on social media. Now, we have a course on logo designs. Not just logo design, it contains everything about graphics design, all right? Everything you need to know to become a professional graphics designer, it's in the course. You're going to be a graphics designer that can make professional graphics with your smartphone and charge brands as much as you want. Now, the course also encompasses on how you can get clients like this one I got and make money. So with this skill, you are good to go. That is why I'm here to always show you what is working that can actually make you a better person in the country that will never be broke again. So if you're interested, please, this course is not free. It's not free and it's not for boys. It's for people who are serious and want to change their status. All right. So for now, we're going to be charging just 10,000 naira for the first 50 people that will take action today. After today, the course is going back to 20,000 naira. Please, if you like what we are doing here, I beg you in the name of God, click and hold your screen like this. Just press and hold your screen. then tap send on those account that pops out. And please come to the comment section and say, Solo, well done. I'm Solomon Tukes. I sign out.